In this video I will show you how to create slice text effect in Photoshop. Select Type tool. And write your text here. Press Ctrl T. And adjust your text. Select Rectangular Marquee tool. And select the text like this. Right-click, choose Transform Selection. And rotate it. Add Layer Mask. Press Ctrl J to make duplicate. Press Ctrl I to invert. Press V to select Move tool. Scale by using this 2 button. Add new layer. Select this layer, right-click. And choose Intersect Mask Selection. Select Brush tool. And follow the settings. Make sure layer 1 is selected and start brushing. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Press Shift and select both layer. Press Ctrl G to make group. Click here and choose blending option. Choose drop shadow. And follow the specs. That's it. Hope you liked it.